What's up, care fam? Welcome to the channel and to today's video. So today we're gonna be learning how to make a DIY co-wash for natural hair. If this is something that you're interested in, definitely keep watching this video till the end. So to make this co-wash, first off you need your shampoo. It could be any shampoo, but I'm using the Crownedbyetty shampoo. You also need your conditioner, which is another major ingredient, and then you need an oil, any oil of your choice. This is palm kernel oil that I'm using for this. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure that you hit on the subscribe button now, and thanks so much if you're already subscribed. Now what I do is to measure about 75 ml of the conditioner. Now I'm using the conditioner, a lot of the conditioner, because you know that co-wash is more of like conditioner washing. So most people like to wash their hair with only conditioners, but with this co-wash that I'm making, I decided to add a shampoo to it so that I get my hair to be like washed but not squeaky clean. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I measure about 25 ml of the shampoo. Now this one too, you can use any shampoo that you have available, but I'm using the Crownedbyetty products because they are Ghanaian products that I have come across, and I just like how the products are on my hair. So the next thing I do is to add my oil, about 25 ml of the palm kernel oil. You can use any oil of your choice, any oil that you like, but this palm kernel oil has a lot of benefits and it's able to penetrate well. That is why I'm using it. So after mixing it up, this is what I have, guys. The co-wash is ready to be applied, and look at how it is. I just love the way it is, and I'm transferring it into a different bottle that I can be able to like pour it easily on my hair. Now this co-wash is great when you are on the go and you want to wash your hair like fast enough, because it will wash your hair, but it wouldn't like, your hair won't feel like the way it is when you wash it with shampoo only. That's the difference. And because I added a shampoo to it, it means that my hair is going to be cleaned and also moisturized. So I'm just trying to use the product on my hair for you to see. First of all, I wet my hair and go ahead with the co-wash. So I just pour it on my scalp and then massage it into my scalp onto my hair. Now this co-wash actually is not going to lather like the way a shampoo would lather, but girl, I tell you that this co-wash is also not it's also going to soften your hair, and it's not going to make it like really hard. And so I just wash my hair with it, massage it into my hair, and this is, my hair feels very soft, and I decided to use this twice on my hair just for you to see how it is. So just wash it off and apply the co-wash again. Now this co-wash is actually one of my go-tos when I'm on the go. I mean, when I don't want that 3-hour wash day thing, I just co-wash in between and then I'm good to go. So co-washing is basically just washing your hair with a conditioner, but this time around I added a little shampoo so that I get a cleaning effect from it as well. So whenever I use this, guys, I don't follow up with a deep conditioner or something, because this is more like a fast wash day for me. If I want to wash my hair in the shower fast, I just do this. So what I do is just to follow up with a leave-in conditioner after this, and then seal in with the moisture. That is it. So just to demonstrate to you how I use the co-wash on my hair, this is it. Now guys, my hair feels very soft. It also feels like it feels clean, but not drying. So it feels soft, it feels moisturized. I would urge you to try this recipe out and let me know if you like it. Don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to also like this video. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll definitely see you in my next video, and until then, keep the love flowing, keep supporting. I really appreciate you that much, and stay blessed.